Welcome to this 15-minute guided meditation to help you drift into peaceful rest. This session is designed to quiet your mind, relax your body, and prepare you for a deep, restorative sleep. Find a comfortable position in your bed. Allow your arms to rest gently by your sides. Close your eyes and take a deep breath in. And exhale slowly. You don't need to focus on my voice. Just let these words wash over you as you sink deeper into relaxation. Let's begin. Take a moment to bring your attention to your breath. There's no need to change it. Simply notice the gentle rhythm of your breathing. If your mind begins to wander, that's okay. Just gently bring your focus back to the sound of your breath. Feel your body becoming heavier with each exhale. Sinking deeper into the surface beneath you. You don't have to do anything else. Just let go. Now, gently bring your awareness to the top of your head. Imagine a wave of relaxation washing over you. Let it soften your forehead. Release any tension in your jaw. And flow down through your neck and shoulders. There's no right or wrong way to feel. If your mind is still active, that's perfectly okay. Just notice it and allow yourself to be exactly as you are. With every breath, this wave of relaxation grows deeper. Leaving you calm and ready for sleep. Even if you stop listening to my words, your body will naturally relax and drift towards sleep. Imagine yourself in a safe and peaceful place. Perhaps it's a soft meadow under the stars. Or a quiet beach with gentle waves lapping at the shore. You don't need to visualize perfectly. Just let the image come naturally. or simply enjoy the feeling of calm around you. As you breathe in, imagine a soft, warm light surrounding your body. This light makes you feel safe, protected, and ready to let go. With every exhale, feel yourself sinking deeper into tranquility, drifting closer to sleep. You are free to relax however feels best for you. Allow this feeling of peace to stay with you as you drift into sleep. There's nothing more you need to do. No need to focus on my words anymore. Let your mind wander. Or let go completely. If this meditation brought you calm, save it to use anytime you need help falling asleep. And if you'd like more meditations like this, feel free to subscribe and join our community. Sweet dreams.